Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this lecture, I'm going to discussing with you group by clause and its usage. The session will describe you what is the differences between Excel sheet and SQL query and how we are going to grouping data rows and what is the purpose we are getting in a data with a group of data. All the things you will know from this session. Let's see here about what is group by. Group by clause is to group the result of a select query based on one or more columns, which the column data row is matching in a particular category. Such a way we can group the data. It is also used with SQL functions to group the result from one or more tables. It's not in a limitation with a single table. Yes, we can have in a multiple tables by making join statements to grouping the tables, and we have in a data to get from the multiple tables. Like a syntax for using group by in a statement, this you can observe here. Select column name, function, column name. This is the column name which we are going to impacting the column name. This is the function. It may be aggregate function. Like we are making some of the records of the rows, data rows, and we are accumulating making like a sum function we are using. The total order or the product's price total if we want to get it as in a single statement as in a total price. So we can simply apply for aggregate function of sum and making the price column here, and from table name, what is the table we are able to getting the data, the table name we have to specify here, and where condition we have to use the where condition. What are the conditions we have to specify here, and you can also check our previous lectures how to use and where to apply for where conditions and what is the purpose. You will learn it. And once it is completed, later we will write the group by and a column name. What is the column name is having the relevant data. The data row which is having the relevant data based on that column will use for like a group by with the column name. This is the SQL basic basic syntax of this group by statement. Is it clear? For more detail, I'll show you in explanation how it would be group by column, and group by statement will applicable in SQL statements. How it would, I'll show you. Just take in a simple spreadsheet. It's a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, and see here, this is the group by statement, how it would be impacts the output in the while we are preparing for the database query and getting as a result set. Let's say here, this is the table is having 3 columns. It's nothing but an Excel sheet. This is also assumed that table would be like this only. Table will have the column names, whereas the spreadsheet I have specified the column headers. Okay, now what I would like to suggest you here, the name of the ID is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's an auto increment ID. It is created here, and products. The name of the product it is specified like apple, orange, kiwi fruit, and apple, orange, kiwi, apple, orange, banana, kiwi. These are the different patterns like fruits are available in this products category. Whereas see here, like apple is having repeatedly 3 times. One apple, fourth row is and one more apple here, and seventh is the one more apple. Whereas these are the item prices are different. The quality of the apple is different, and the prices are made different. Similarly, orange is also referring it to duplicates. Like a name is a product is re-entered in the products table. So if I want to get all the apple orders and with the price of the units, how it can be possible? Only my report and my query requirement is I want to get only the apple fruit only from the products. It's very simple in Excel. Like see, I'm selecting this column and applying for like a sort and filter. This is the filter option I am applying to Excel spreadsheet. Just click here. You will see here like a drop down options like this, right? Once you have a filter option, you just simply take the products list and use unselect all option and select only Apple. You will get only the Apple records here. Either if I am applying this option like filtering options to making some prices like a 10 rupees prices of the items only, if I want, I can get the only 10 what are the products are available within the trend. Like I am grouping the data based on my data parameter or product item parameter wise requirement. It's nothing but grouping a data based on a common name or common thing or common one particular facility I am requesting from the out of the boundary of the data. This is how the group by will treat and will works in SQL scenario. Like you see here, I make it as in a group by with the column name of products where my product is apple. I'll send the data. See, the only the apple fruits only will comes. Like if you assume that these are the apple products are in my orders table, I can make it as an item price as an a sum as an aggregate function. I can apply over here where the total price of this, like you press just simply 36. The total price of the apple fruits orders, I can get the only the apple fruits order of 36 rupees of the total price. By using like a group by statement, you will get such a wonderful like information which category you want, like a multiple. And once you are inserting the data into the database table, from the table if you have preparing one single form and there is a huge around 130 or 20 30 40 number of reports with the different category wise, area wise, pin code wise, address wise, category, fruit wise, price wise, id wise, date wise, all the reports are required with irrelevant to the independent reports. For the purpose we'll use for grouping the records and we'll fetch the data and appropriately making some aggregate functions to making in a very fast way the application development. I hope you are having a good idea about a group by statement. And in our next lecture, we'll see how to prepare group by statement in practical way by seeing how the data is grouping and how we are going to applying like methods of predefined built-in methods by applying along with the group by statement like aggregate functions. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.